Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Neptune, rules Pisces, exaltation not yet established, detriment Virgo, fall not yet established, Jif, trident of Poseidon, the sea god, represents spiritual or escapist urge, anatomy, the spinal column, nerve fibers, feet, pineal gland, telepathic functions, white corpuscles of the blood, kinesthetic functions. Keyword, intuition, general, rules maritime matters, liquids, music, movies, stage and television, glamour, dreams, illusion, delusion, spirituality, ideals, mystique, hunches and the things we take deeply for granted in life without questioning. Rules fog, petroleum, mystery, anesthetics, flattery, intangibles, fragrances, second sight, love of poetry, color and dancing. Neptune governs drugs and drug addiction, alcoholism, hypochondria, sleepwalking, trances, hypnosis, immateriality and abnormality. Neptune's action is subtle, gradual and sometimes insidious. It is the higher octave of Venus and the second of the transcendental planets. Where you find Neptune in the chart is where you tend to deceive yourself and/or others. It is also where you seek the ideal. The second house, mine. The second house shows financial affairs, values, freedom, inner and outer, resources, earning ability, possessions. Natural sign is Taurus. Natural ruler is Venus. Keyword is values. The second is a house of substance and earth. Quality is succeeding house. General. The second house shows financial affairs, possessions, except real estate, investments, earning power, and any gain or loss through your own efforts. It indicates your inner talents and resources, your need for fulfillment, your emotional feelings, your sense of self-worth and your sense of values. Since many people believe that liberty is largely a matter of money, this is the house of personal liberty. It is also the house of material debt. Neptune in the second house. The planet Neptune placed in the second house of your chart means that your personal finances are likely to be a source of trouble. If you can accept this fact and develop a set of values that don't focus on material possessions, you won't have to worry so much about losing your material possessions. You need to be especially careful before investing your money, as you are vulnerable to loss and fraud. Depending on other aspects of your natal chart, you may not experience losing money, but making money through artistic, spiritual or charitable causes, or generous donations to causes. Charity organization. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.